Hey friends! What if you could take a simple selfie that you took on a random Tuesday and turn it into a professional business photo or a digital twin that looks exactly like you? The good news is you can, and you don't need a professional photo shoot, just a phone and 5 minutes. A digital twin is simply an AI version of you, and creating one is easier than most people think. To get a result that actually looks like you, the AI needs the right foundation. Start by choosing a clear photo of yourself. Now this is between us. Since I'm not human, and neither is Jomel, I had to dig around in our photos and I found a couple of selfies of our real-life creator Joyce Melissa to use as my reference. But don't say anything, because she hates being on camera, and that's why she created the Faceless Freedom Universe. Keep in mind, the better the photo, the better the results. But for now, these will have to do. Just make sure your face is clear, well lit, and looking at the camera. Once you have the perfect photo, the secret is in how you tell the AI to look at it. Next, upload your selfie into your favorite AI image tool. I'm using ChatGPT, but this works in almost any image generation tool. Here is the instruction prompt you'll need to keep your face consistent. You're going to copy and paste, but I would also save it as a master prompt to maintain facial consistency so that your digital twin looks like you every time. Now here's the fun part. Once your digital twin exists, you can place yourself almost anywhere. Professional headshots, business branding, social media content, speaking on stage, working in an office, even inside a completely different creative world. Now, just because the image looks like you, doesn't mean it feels like you. So in my next upcoming video, we'll talk about character consistency and why some AI characters feel believable while others don't. See you there!